Little day trip to Railay Beach today. Just pays 400 baht for me and the missus. See this fella here. Directions to the right boats, which is over here. And away we go. Railay Beach. You need to get to Railay Beach because, by boats because there's no cars on the island whatsoever. There's no access to the island, only by boat. Always shouting, I don't know what's shouting, but I don't know. Here we go. I'll tell you something, it's definitely a hot one today in Ao Nang. It's 36 degrees today here. There's a view. And then we're just waiting for the boats. So stay with me, come to Railay with me. See you in a minute. So that's it, on the boats, and away we go. Railay, here we come. So there we have it, just arrived here at Railay West Beach. Let me know what you think. First impressions all count. For me, beautiful here, absolutely gorgeous, love it. So stay with me, let's continue walking through the village. We'll go down to Railay East and have a look at the beach around there. See you in a minute. So this is the streets here in Railay. We'll have a quick walk through and show you what it's like. Do let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, hit the little bell. Keep walking through. There's no cars or trucks or anything here. It's just access by boat only, if you didn't know. Well, I'm going to stop in this little restaurant here, just going to get a quick drink. So I just had a mixed fruit shake and a water. It is important to keep it hydrated because it is really hot, as I said. Okay, so continue this way. The Railay Beach Mermaid. There we go, there's the map. Okay, let's keep moving. Plenty of little shops, broccoli shops, etc. around here. Really nice. All freshly cooked. Fish, prawns, size of them.
115 grams.
What do you think of them? They're big prawns, aren't they? Chicken, rotisserie. Keep walking now. And all the fresh fish, barracuda. Rock climbing. So we'll keep walking this way down to Railay East. So stay with me, keep watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the little bell, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Okay, so coming down to Beach Railay now. There's the pier. And we'll keep on walking that way. Quite busy here today, as you can see. just going through the cave system now. How impressive is this? Look at that. How good is that? It goes through there as well.
That's what he's going on.
Yeah.
We'll climb as the shortcut and go that way. You watch out for the falling stones. But no, I'm taking the safest route round. That's too risky for me. Okay, onwards we go.
A počkej, oni ti vezmou Bye.
What's your opinion of these curves? Do you like them? Are you going to come to Railay and explore?
To be fair, there's a few
Highly recommend it.
there where I was
Fantastic.
hand jamming. Yeah.
Oh, by the way, you can't fly a drone here. It's 1,000 baht fine if you get caught. There you go. Sand is all over the place telling you not to fly your drone. Look at that. Definitely come into have a look, worth it coming in having a look. How must we go? Here we have it. Like you say, it's very busy. But it's well worth the walk around. Look at that. One of the things here at Railay is this cave. Like you can see, offerings have been made for a princess. Okay, so there's two caves. Okay, so that's the reason of the offerings. Do not offer these 5 things: soup, pranang, sex toys, red water, red flowers, traditional Thai costumes, strange offerings. Note, she is a god, she is Indian, she believes in the phallus or lingam as a symbol of the Hindu god Shiva. So there we have it. Let me know what you think. Okay, so there we have it. Really, if you like the video, then give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, give us a thumbs down. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And hit the little bell. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Bye bye.